The question is to factor the polynomial. The first step we must keep in mind when factoring is to see if there is a common factor. If we look at the coefficient first, we have 2 here and we have a 4 here. 4 is 2 times 2, right? So 2 is our common factor. And we have a here, a here. So a is common factor. So this binomial is equal to, common factor is 2 and a. So multiply 2a by the leftover. We have y plus one more 2 and x. And let's see if this is the right answer. 2a times y, that's 2ay. 2a times 2x, that's 4ax. It's right here. So we factored it correctly. All right? So let's look at the second one. We have 10 here. 10 is 2 times 5. 15 here, that's 3 times 5, right? So 5 is our common factor. We have a here. We have a squared here. So a squared is a times a, right? So a is our common factor. If we look at b, we have a b squared, b, right? So common factor is b, right? b squared is b times b, and we have 1b here. So b is common factor. So this is equal to, common factors are 5a, b, times leftover 2, we have 1 more b, minus, we have 3 and a, right? If you check the solution, 5ab times 2b, 5 times 2, 10, b times b, b squared. So 10ab squared. It's right here. And 5ab times negative 3a, that's a 15, minus 15a squared b. It's right here. So we factored it correctly. Here we have x times a plus b minus y times a plus b. As I mentioned in the previous chapter, if we see the same expression, a plus b in this problem, let that be a single letter a. Alright? So that is equal to x times a minus y times a. And a is our common factor, right? So this is equal to a times x minus y, right? So we factored this polynomial to a times x minus y. After factoring is complete, we always have to substitute original expression a plus b for capital A. Alright? So that is equal to a plus b times x minus y. Now we're done. Okay, let's look at next question. Here we have x minus y, but here we have y minus x. Remember that if we have y minus x, that is actually equal to x minus y with a negative here, right? It is because negative times x, that's minus x, and negative times minus y, that's positive y, right? So this expression is equal to this one. If we switch these two, y and x and y here, right? Then we have to have a negative here, right? So this polynomial is equal to a times x minus y minus b times x minus y, right? If we switch these two, then it is equal to minus x minus y, all right? Now we see the same expression x minus y, x minus y. So we're gonna let that be a. Then this is equal to a times capital A minus b times capital A. We have common factor a. So that is equal to a times a minus b, right? This capital A is a plus b. So finally, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b, right? Now factoring is complete.